So hello guys, if you are downloading any app from the Play Store and whenever you are downloading and installing the app in your mobile, you are seeing this kind of error, can't install, and after that the app you want to download, you are seeing the name of that app. If you watch this video fully, then this problem will be solved 100% and you can download any app from the Play Store. So to solve this problem, first of all you have to open your Play Store, and after opening the Play Store, you will see the logo of the Play Store on the right side up corner. So you have to click on it, and here at the bottom you will see the settings. Simply click on the settings. As soon as you click on the settings, some such settings will open in front of you. Here on the second number you will see network preference, so you have to click on network preference. As soon as you click on network preference, you will see app download preference. Simply click on app download preference, and from here you have to see which of the three options you have ticked on. So you have to keep in mind that Uber any network should always be selected on your mobile and click on OK. If this setting is clicked on anyone in your mobile phone, then you have to click it on Uber any network and click on OK. And now you have to close this setting, and at the bottom you will see the About option. Simply click on About and go down a little. If you come down, you will see Update Play Store written here. Simply click on Update Play Store, and from here your Play Store will be automatically updated, and now you have to come back from here. After coming back, you have to open your mobile settings. After opening the settings, you can write apps on its search bar, so you will get to see the setting of the app. If you scroll down a little, you will get to see the setting of the app. Simply click on the setting of the app, and here you will get to see a setting called Manage Apps or App List. Simply click on it. As soon as you click on it, all the apps on your mobile phone will be visible here, so you have to search for Google Play Store in this app list. So let's find it, and after that you have to click on Google Play Store, and first of all you have to click usage. Here you have to keep in mind that its background data is not off. If its background data is off in your mobile phone, then you have to turn it on and come back. After that, you will get to see storage written here. Simply click on storage, and as soon as you come here, you will get to see clear cache and clear data written above in some phones, but in the Redmi phones, you will get to see clear data written below. As soon as you click on it, you will get to see two options, clear all data and clear cache. So you simply have to click on clear cache and OK, and then click on this option, and now you have to do clear all data. So for this you simply have to click on OK and then come back. Now you have to come back to your setting. After coming to the mobile setting, you have to click on the search bar again, and now you have to search storage and click on storage, and here you have to see that the storage space in your mobile phone is full. First of all you have to open File Manager, and from here you have to delete unnecessary files, movies, songs, etc., which will make your storage space very empty. And the second thing you have to keep in mind is that if you have downloaded more apps and games in your mobile phone, then only you can see such a problem. So those apps and games that you do not use, uninstall them from here, and after that you will open your Play Store. So it will take some time for the Play Store to open here. You have to wait, and now you can download and install the app you want from here. Simply click on that app or search for it, and after that you have to click on the install button, so you can see here that the app is being successfully installed in our mobile phone. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.